thing regarding how many match words were identified per performance criteria. My suggestion here is that you identify these are quite high level over-assessing points, so you may want to reduce the amount of the repeated wordings that you do there. If you have a number of high repetitive words and expressions within an assessment tool, students may get bored, so there may be other wording you can use, but also identify the lower performing criteria. And the object of this report is to get a better balance throughout the performance criteria. If you also have a look at the overall compliance, you also have printing options for a report. This will create your report that you're able to share with others in your system across different management areas.